What if you could use artificial intelligence to make your first $100 a day on autopilot? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step strategy to hit $100 per day using AI tools and affiliate marketing. No tech skills, no camera, no experience needed. This is perfect if you're just getting started in 2025. The strategy overview. To earn $100 a day online with AI and affiliate marketing, you need just three things: a profitable niche, AI-powered content creation tools, high-paying affiliate programs. With AI, you can create blogs, videos, and emails in hours, not weeks. You publish that content online, plug in your affiliate links, and when someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Tools you'll need. Here are the top tools I personally use. ChatGPT for content ideas, keyword research, and full blog video scripts. Pictory.ai converts scripts into faceless videos for YouTube. Jasper.ai writes product reviews, landing pages, emails. Systeme.io free all-in-one funnel builder with affiliate program. Uber suggest or answer the public to find what people are searching for. All of these tools either have free versions or free trials, so you can start without spending a dime. Step-by-step $100 per day plan. Here's the exact 5-step plan. Step 1. Pick a niche. Use ChatGPT to find high-converting niches. Prompt. List 10 profitable affiliate niches for 2025 with high demand and low competition. Step 2. Choose affiliate offers. Join platforms like PartnerStack, Digistore24, Systeme.io, or Jasper. Look for products that pay $30 to $100+ per sale. Step 3. Create content with AI. Use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, product reviews, or YouTube scripts. Then use Pictory to turn those scripts into short faceless videos. Step 4. Publish and promote posts to your blog using WordPress or Medium. Upload videos to YouTube, use Pinterest, Reddit, or Facebook groups for free traffic. Step 5. Link your offers. Add your affiliate links to every blog post, video description, and social caption. Boom! Now you've built a passive funnel that can earn 24/7. Case study. I tested this method in the digital tools niche. In just 3 weeks, my small blog and YouTube channel made $112.43 in affiliate commissions from AI-generated content alone. And that momentum keeps building every single day. Want to copy my exact AI affiliate funnel? I put together a free step-by-step checklist with prompts, tools, and video templates. Grab it in the description below. And if you're serious about making passive income with AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New videos drop every week.